right, guys, let's go ahead and start with this right now, and let's begin with what we want to learn today. What I will learn today. Today, what I want to learn is I want to teach you to replace variables, unknown values, with numbers. Then solve using the order of operations. All right, that's what I want to do today. So this is what you're supposed to be writing down. Okay, now, everybody remembers the order of operations in here, don't they? We start with parentheses. Yes, exactly. And that would be parentheses, brackets, absolute value signs, and solution sets. So when we think of a first set, we think of the groupings first. The second thing we would do would be exponents, square roots, cube roots, cubes, anything to another raised to another power. Then we have multiplication, please stop, and division. And we're going to go from left to right, and then addition and subtraction, and we're going to go from left to right. Now, this is something that we should already be pretty comfortable with. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to do some problems with replacement. We're going to start with G is equal to 4. H is equal to 6. J is equal to 8. And K is equal to 12. Now, what we're going to do in this instance is we're going to plug and chug into this equation, problem number 1, HK minus GJ. We know that wherever there's an H, I can replace it with that 6. Wherever there's a K, I can replace it with that 12. Wherever there's a G, I can replace it with that 4. And wherever there's a J, I can replace it with that 8. I'll give you a second to write this up, and I just want to make sure you understand if there are no operations between those variables, it means to multiply. Now, when we're doing our PEMDAS, yes, sir. That means multiplication. I'm just showing you that. Thank you for asking. So I'm going to do our PEMDAS right here so we can follow it. The first one is, are there any parentheses in this? No, so that we don't worry about that. How about exponents? Do we see any exponents? Okay, now Josh, what would you do next? Right, and we always multiply left to right. So which one will we hit first? Yes. Beautiful. 6 times 12. Hey, put on that handy dandy calculator. 6 times 12. It's 72. And then give you a second to redeem yourself. What's 4 times 8? 32. Now we're going to subtract these two. 72 minus 32 is what? Good. Yay, you fixed it. 40. And 40 is the answer to this first one. We replaced the values and then we solved by PEMDAS, or the order of operations.